You are driving down the street and suddenly your car feels like it is gasping for air. The whole dashboard starts shaking and you see that orange light blinking at you like a warning sign you just cannot ignore. When you pull the codes and see P0264, your car is telling you that the fuel injector for cylinder number 2 is having a low voltage situation. Now, this is not just a tiny glitch you can ignore for a week. It is the start of what I call a massive ripple effect inside your engine. Imagine cylinder number 2 is not getting enough fuel because that injector is dirty or the electrical connection is weak. That makes the mixture lean, which generates way too much heat in the cylinder head. Your oxygen sensor picks up on this lean air and screams at the engine computer to dump more fuel into all the other cylinders to compensate. Suddenly, your fuel economy hits the floor and your engine starts knocking. The knock sensor hears that metallic pinging and tells the computer to retard the timing, leaving you with zero power when you actually need to merge onto the highway. To fix this, we need to look at the basics first. In over 45 years of turning wrenches, I have found that a loose or corroded connector is the culprit the vast majority of the time. You need to find the number 2 injector in your firing order, pop off that little wire clip, and look inside the connector for any green crusty corrosion or pushed out pins. If it looks clean, try the old stethoscope trick. Place a long screwdriver against the injector body and put your ear to the handle while the engine is idling. You should hear a very clear, rhythmic clicking sound as the solenoid opens and closes. If it is silent, you have lost your electrical signal. Grab your voltmeter and check the harness. You should see 12 volts with the key on because the fuel pump relay feeds power to those injectors constantly, while the PCM provides the ground pulse. If you have power but no pulse, your injector driver in the computer might be fried. But if everything electrical is fine, you are likely dealing with a plugged injector. Before you spend big money on a replacement, try a direct injector flushing kit. You hook it up to the fuel rail test port, pull the fuel pump fuse, and let the engine run solely on that high-pressure cleaner until it dies. This often scrubs the internal needle valve clean and saves you from a massive repair bill while benefiting every other cylinder in the engine. It is a simple process that keeps your engine from running rough and keeps your wallet from getting empty too fast. Remember that even a tiny bit of debris can ruin the spray pattern, which is why keeping your fuel filters fresh is the best preventative maintenance you can do.